This is the final 4 threads of this wrap, and I've sped it up so that you guys aren't going to get super bored. But basically at this point is just get as many threads in there to close and then pack to make room for the last one, because the last thing we want to do is overlap the threads and create a knot. We want to make sure it all stays nice and flat and closes evenly, and that we have equal open spacing whenever we are packing, so that it's a little bit easier for us to close the wraps. Take your time. That's basically what it is. Once I got the background closed on this, which was just adding one more up and down, I was actually really impressed that I could just burnish out the edges, so there wasn't a whole lot of packing at this point. The last 2 threads of this is framing the spider so that they all connect and are all basically touching each other. And so that's the final threads on this wrap. I'm going to be honest, I spent an eternity trying to get this thing straightened up because the Aero Real seat was super hard to get it to line up to because of the hump in it. Love the Real seats, but trying to get it straight with that hump and the grip in the way, it's kind of difficult. But now that this one's done, it's time for round 2, and I'm going to set this one up the same way I did the other one. I'm going to be honest, give you guys, if you're doing a wrap in the split, make sure you draw your lines before you start gluing on your grips or your Real seats so that you know for a fact that that is where that line is supposed to be. And I'm measuring this one at 3 millimeters because remember on the other one I pushed it out a little bit, so we're going to go ahead and start big. Now that the spacing's on there, I can get ready and start doing this one in a lime green color.